One day, when little Tommy, the puppy, was playing about, he found a lost little kitten, cuddled up and frightened. The little kitten was shivering with cold, because it has got wet in the rain. Tommy picked up the little kitten with his mouth and went in search of the kitten's mother. When the mother cat saw Tommy carrying her kitten, she thought he was harming the kitten. She attacked, Tommy stopped, but the kitten stopped her and drew her back. "Tommy, help me to come to you," mother said the little kitten. The mother cat apologized to Tommy.